and welcome back to Nicole's DIY. This is an actual recreation of this bunny wreath. It was deleted off of YouTube. I'm new at this and I mistakenly deleted it and off of my computer. So with all that said, I want to thank you all so much for supporting my channel. You've been so kind, so gracious, and I love all the comments, all the tips, and the encouragement. So I just want to thank you so much. And if you're new here to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share my videos. So let's get started with this beautiful little bunny wreath. You're going to need a grapevine wreath that's from Hobby Lobby. You're going to need a boa. You're going to need some ribbon, some flowers. You're going to need a little cute little bunny tail. This is an actual hair clip that's in the same department as the craft department that I found the boa. You're going to need some hot glue and a couple chenilles, one to hold the bow in place and also to hang the bunny wreath. You can use a hanger, but I will let you know the hanger shows through right here, and that might be fine for you, and that's okay. I just noticed on my door I didn't like it, so I hung it with the chenille. This way it's all kind of hidden, and it just stands in place, and it looks 3D, and it's really pretty. there you have it, a beautiful springtime bunny wreath for the door or for your wall or your baby's room, nursery. All right, y'all, until next time, be blessed.